morning, everyone. I am Uttej of grade 9 of Laurel High Global School. Today, I am here to tell about robotics engineering. First of all, what is robotics? Robotics are machines with enhanced sensing, control, and intelligence used to automate, augment, or assist human activities. Robot can be guided by an external control device or controlled by being emitted in it. In 1928, one of the first humanoid robot, Eric, was exhibited at the annual exhibition of Model Engineering Society in India. The photo of Eric is in the PPT. All robots contain some level of mouth control programming code. Robotics involved in designing, construction, operation, and education. Robotics integrates fields of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, mechatronics, electronics, bioengineering, and software engineering. It develops a machine that can substitute for human and replicate human actions. The term robot means hard work, from Greek word robota. Top 8 colleges and universities of India: MIT Manipal, IIT Kanpur, NIE Mysore, SRM Chennai, and IIT Bombay. Special thanks to Dr. Shastri sir and Abhirami ma'am. Thank you.